Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. In our today's video, we are going to troubleshoot an issue many Steam Deck users are facing. That is, their touchscreen not working. If you rely on the touchscreen for gaming or navigation, this can be frustrating. But do not worry. I'll walk you through the possible causes and simple solutions to get your Steam Deck back up and running smoothly. Step 1. Restart your Steam Deck. Sometimes the issue could be a temporary glitch. A simple restart can fix minor software bugs. Press and hold the power down button for about 10 seconds to force shutdown. Turn it back on to see if the touchscreen issue is resolved. Step 2 is update Steam OS. Your touchscreen may not work if your device is running outdated software. Checking for updates ensures you have the latest bugs fixed. Go to the settings, system, check for updates. Download and install the update if available. Step 3. Calibrate the touchscreen. If the touchscreen is unresponsive or inaccurate, calibration might fix it. Go to the settings, then click on Control and Calibrate touchscreen. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete calibration. Step 4. Reset to factory settings. If none of the above work, you might want to reset your Steam Deck to factory settings. But note, this will erase all your data. So first, back the data up. Go to the settings, then click on Systems and then to Factory Reset. Confirm and follow the prompts to reset. Solution 5. Contact Steam support. If none of these solutions work, it could be a hardware issue and you may need professional help. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.